Good morning all of you. Welcome back to the video in which we are going to start a new chapter. This video is for class 6 and the subject is computer. My dear students, in the previous video also I gave you the syllabus for half yearly. If you remember, in half yearly we are having 3 chapters. Chapter number 1 we are having, chapter number 3 we are having, and chapter number 5 we are having. Chapter number 2 and chapter number 4 you cut down. Okay, only these 3 chapters we are going to have, and the first chapter and third chapter we already had in our unit test number 1. Regarding this chapter number 5 we are going to start now. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, the topic of the chapter is more on MS PowerPoint 2007. Now, if you remember when you were in the previous class, that is 5th class when you were on, then you had a chapter of MS PowerPoint, right? Over there you have studied some of the basic features of MS PowerPoint, and you have also done some practical classes, yes, regarding this application. So in this chapter we are going to learn all these 8 topics. Firstly, we are going to see the introduction. Then we will see how we are going to insert the pictures in our slides, obviously. Now you should know what are slides. Now I'll tell you in the upcoming chapter what is everything. Okay. The third one is inserting smart art, adding numbers and bulletins, how we are going to insert the tables, how we are going to apply the theme, and animations, music, and all those things. Okay, in today's video, only some of the topics we are going to cover, not the complete one. Okay, but this chapter number 5 contains all these 8 topics. Okay, so starting from the introductory part, in the earlier classes, we have learned about MS PowerPoint 2007, the basic features you have learned. Yes, means how you are going to open MS PowerPoint, how you are going to make a slide in MS PowerPoint, all those things you have learned. Yes, now PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create and edit presentation for slideshows, meetings, constructing web pages, etc. Now, what is PowerPoint? It is basically a software. Now, what kind of software it is? It is a Microsoft Office software. Yes. Now, it is used to create and edit presentation for slideshows. Now, what are slides? The working area. Okay, the working area of MS PowerPoint is known as a slide. Likewise, when you are having MS Word, when you are working on that, then you are having a blank page over there. Yes, जिसे आप लोग क्या कहते हो, जिसे आप लोग डॉक्यूमेंट कहते हो, राइट? नाउ यहाँ पर क्या होता है, इन पावर पॉइंट यू आर हैविंग डिफरेंट स्लाइड्स, लाइकवाइज यू आर हैविंग डिफरेंट पेजेस. ओके, एंड दीज डिफरेंट पेजेस जहाँ पर आप अपना स्लाइड शो क्रिएट करते हो, yes, these are known as slides. Understood? Now these are used for creating your slideshows, meetings, constructing web pages, and all those things. Now PowerPoint makes presentations more attractive by using text, pictures, sounds, animation, etc. Now whenever you are going to make a presentation using a slide, okay, then you can always make it attractive by using text. Means to say you can write everything over there, and you are having different design of the text, different color of the text, different formats of the text. Yes, so visually you can make them attractive with the help of these pictures. Also you can insert sound also, likewise some music you can insert. Yes, and animation. Now what is animation? Animation means moving pictures. Yes, moving pictures you can also insert. So this is how we are going to make our PowerPoint an attractive one. Okay, now basically 3 formats we are having of PowerPoint. Those are, first one, it is a blank and recent format. Yes, now it is a blank presentation. If you click on this blank and reset, if you select for this format, then you would be able to see a blank presentation, means to say a white slide with no background picture, no formatting text, nothing is there. Only a blank presentation, likewise in the first picture. Okay, like this you would be able to see. If you go for this install templates, then means what? From the internet, you have installed some of the templates. Now, what are installed templates? It means they are the already created presentation. Yes, and why? For what kind of purpose they are used? They are used for the topics if you want to ask certain kind of questions regarding a single topic. Yes, regarding a single topic, if you want to create a presentation, then you can go for the install templates. Likewise, you can see the second one. Okay, see the third one, install themes. Now by install themes means what? It contains some ready-made slides. Means to say you don't have to worry about the background color. You don't have to worry about these text formatting and all those things you don't have to worry about. Everything is present over there. You just have to make necessary changes. Yes, आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ उसके अंदर अपने अपने changes करने हैं. And you are ready with the format. Okay. So these are the three basic formats. You can go for any one of those. Okay, depends on you. Now, moving forward, if you turn on to page number 53, we are having second topic, that is inserting picture. Yes, now you know already that how we are going to write the text in our slide. Yes, if you don't, then see this picture. Let us zoom this thing out, this one. Now over here, blank and recent. When you want to add a title, you just click over there. See, this is a space to add the title. Now you click over here, then you will be able to see this kind of bar. Okay, and you can type anything and you can see the reflection over there on the slide. So like this, simply you can add your text. Now let us study about how we are going to insert a picture in our slide. Okay, now pictures you can add by two ways. Okay, first one you are having the option of clip art and the second one you are having an option of picture from file. Now what is the difference between clip art and picture from file? Now see, clip art are those pictures which are already present in your MS PowerPoint, right? Now certain steps we are having, then we'll see how we are going to insert that kind of thing into our slides. Right now you understand that only clip art क्या होता है, जो आपका MS PowerPoint होता है उसके अंदर ही कुछ already stored pictures होती हैं, and usually those pictures are cartoon based pictures. Okay, so those are your clip arts. आपको सिर्फ क्या करना होता है, सर्च करना होता है and you can go for that one. For the second option, picture from file, it means the picture should be present into your computer or into your mobile phone, जहाँ से आप इसको access कर रहे हो. Okay, and you can insert that picture from your computer system to your slide. Now both the ways we are going to see. Firstly, let us see the steps of how we are going to insert the picture from your clip art. Now see, clip art is a collection of pictures or images that can be imported into a program. Means already created pictures or images. You don't have to download them. Okay, they are already present in your MS PowerPoint. Now you just need to be imported into your program. Now see steps we are having. Step number 1, click on the insert tab. Now if you remember, the tab are these ones. Home is the first tab and insert is the second tab. In this picture, this might not be that much visible. If you open the book, then you would be able to see the picture clearly. Okay, so the second tab is your insert tab and you have to click on that. Now step number 2 is click on clip art from illustrations group. Now you are having different groups over there. Now we are having a group of illustration. From that group you have to choose clip art. Okay, and as soon as you click on that clip art, now one thing at the right hand side, a pane will appear like this one. Okay, a pane will appear. जब तक आप इसको click नहीं करोगे, you would not be able to see this pane. As soon as you click on this clip art, you would be able to see that one. Okay, now step number 3. Type name of the desired picture in the search for box. Now, if you see it clearly, let us zoom this thing out. Here. So the first one is search for. Yes, now you have to type the name of the picture. Let us suppose you want a book. So you just type here book. In your computer book, they have taken an example of bird. So that is why they have typed bird over here. Now you just type whatever you need and you click on this button go. Okay, and when you click on this button go, then all the pictures related to this topic will be shown over here in this area. ओके यहाँ पर आपको सारी की सारी पिक्चर्स शो होने लगेंगी. Likewise this one over here. Yes, so you have searched for this bird and you press this button go and you are able to see these pictures related one. Okay, now step number 4 is what? Click the picture to insert in the slide. Now whatever picture you need, whatever picture suits you well, you just click on that picture and that picture would be visible on your slide. Okay, we see a green dot beside the picture when we select it. It is used to rotate the picture. Now, different sizes we are having of our clip art. कुछ clip art आपके बहुत छोटे size के होते हैं, कुछ clip art आपके बहुत बड़े size के होते हैं. Yes, now you can always rotate the picture or you can just resize your picture with the help of these buttons, these things. Okay, these corners you can just drag diagonally and you can resize the picture. Okay, now this is about inserting picture from the clip art. Now the second option, that is picture from file, let us see now. At the bottom you see over here, inserting picture from file. To insert a picture from a file, we follow these steps. So certain steps again we are having 4 steps particularly. So step number 1, click on insert tab. Again you have to go for the second tab, that is insert one. Okay, step number 2, click pictures from illustration group. Now previously when we were talking about our clip art, then we have clicked on that option clip art 1. Now we need a picture from the file. Yes, so we will click on the picture. Right now an insert picture dialog box is seen. Now you would be able to see a dialog box. In the previous one you would be able to see a pane. Okay, right now you would be able to see a dialog box like this one. Okay, now you have to search for the picture. See the step number 3. Select the picture file required to be inserted. Now you have to search for the picture wherever it is available. You search for that picture one and then step number 4, click on insert button. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, उस पिक्चर को सर्च करना है and then you just click on your insert button और आपकी वो पिक्चर again आपकी स्लाइड में इंसर्ट हो जाएगी. Right now again whenever you are able to see the picture na, these corners you would be able to see. Now again for rotating you go for this green one and for resizing you go for these corners one. Okay, the procedure is the same. So we have covered 2 topics, that is the introduction and the formats, and the second topic is inserting pictures. Okay, in the next video we are going to start from inserting smart art. Okay, I hope you understood both the topics very well. In case of any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so this is for this video. Thank you so much.